Good morning on this beautiful sunny Sunday. This is the beginning of week 8 for Writing 111, and I have posted this week's work. So you'll see in media that I've given you a chapter on interacting with source material. That's one of the major objectives that we're going to work on in this essay, is working with source material, referencing it correctly, and correctly citing it in text. So that's one of the most complicated things we do in academic writing. And I think one of the most helpful tools available is this handout, They Say, I Say. I continued to use this as a tool throughout my doctoral education. I think it's one of the most useful handouts. The book that it was originally written in is really expensive, and so I think this is the most important page. And I want you to look at it really carefully and to use these templates when you're interacting with source material in this paper. So this essay is going to go a lot like the last one did. So you'll see the small group workshop assignment is here. You can read the assignment, and then you'll see that your group's paper is in here. You'll work with a group of 3 or 4 of your peers to notice what's going on in these papers and give us something to talk about in class on Tuesday. You're also going to identify and summarize a source related to your paper topic and turn it in later this week. I'm looking forward to seeing you all in class on Tuesday. I hope you're having a great weekend.